That is Lilavati Hospital in Mumbai. Saif Ali Khan about to walk out anytime soon. 16 January night, when the nightmare unfolded and their armed intruder was near the children's room, if not inside, but clearly attempting to pose a threat, asking the housekeeper to be silent after a female housekeeper woke up to realize that there was someone, a stranger, and with not the best intentions, hiding in the washroom. The whole issue of how he managed to get there, target Saif Ali Khan and come out. We are looking at some of the visuals. It appears to be the staff members or those close to Saif who are around him right now. And remember, very few are allowed to meet. Of course, the closest of family members like Kareena, Mother Sharmila Tagore, Sister Saba and so others as well. They were possibly allowed to interact with Saif Ali Khan. But for that visual, we are witnessing after 5 days, the actor who, in many ways, the news that, remember, shocked one and all. All right, that's the first visual. I believe that's Soha, if I'm correct, in the white, who has walked out. We'll try and get more clarity from the visuals that are coming in. And would he, of course, not right away, but possibly in the hours to come, want to make a statement, address the well-wishers as well? We can see that Kareena Karisma didn't want to respond right now. Soha was the only one, the family member, younger sister of Saif Ali Khan, who did make a statement and say that he's recovering well. And they're just glad it did not prove to be more fatal. But to imagine what the family members had gone through at that point on January 16, like a usual day in a safe, secure zone of Bandra and a residence where there would be complete security. All right, it looks like the vehicle has left. And we'll try and get more images coming in. Because remember, as you can see, there is heightened security at the hospital itself, not just from the hospital management, but from the state police of Maharashtra as well. So according to our information, from what I believe it did look like was the vehicle of Saif Ali Khan that left from the hospital premises. Now, whether they are en route the building where the incident has taken place, most likely not, because that's a crime scene right now where a lot of investigation needs to be done. But another property in the same area in Bandra. So we'll try and get a confirmation from our colleagues on the ground if Saif Ali Khan has in fact been discharged officially as well and is en route home. Kareena Kapoor, this was the visual of hers a short while ago when she had come to meet Saif, and then she did leave. And she left before the actor left. All right, so that is the vehicle of the actor who's reportedly left from the Lilavati hospital and is heading back home. You can see the state police also on two-wheelers. I think it's interesting that they do not want to attract a lot of attention, so not a big cavalcade of Saif Ali Khan. And from what it looks like, likely a smaller vehicle that has been chosen, and that's the reason you see a Mumbai cop on a two-wheeler, not a full-on pilot vehicle cavalcade that they have chosen. All right, so these are the images coming in from Mumbai on the streets. 15 days of investigation, of recovery for Saif Ali Khan. That's the first visual. That's the first visual of Saif Ali Khan in a blue attire, wearing a kurta from what it appears to be, and is heading back home to be reunited with the family, especially the two boys. We don't have clarity if the boys were able to meet him once he was admitted at the hospital. But to imagine that the elder of the two sons, who is also a little boy still, about 8 to 9 years of age, that Taimur was accompanying Saif in the auto rickshaw with another staff member when they reached Lilavati hospital. And that was in dead of the night, early morning in fact, in the wee hours. So there will be a lot for this family to heal together, to be able to forget what happened. But also the investigation will have to find out how can a random stranger, armed one at that, manage to enter into a celebrity house, realizing clearly the consequences of what can be. and then manages to leave as well using the fire escape. How can a stranger who has possibly never been in that building before know exactly where to go and how to come out of it? Mustafa joining us. So Mustafa, you can confirm to us, he left a short while ago, a smaller vehicle, and from what I believe, the Mumbai cops as well, disguised not as much in the usual uniform. They're trying to keep it low for Saif Ali Khan, Mustafa.
Yes, so Pooja, I asked my camera person to pan at this gate. So this is the gate from which they brought out Saif Ali Khan, the police vehicles. The Mumbai policemen were around him in the civil dress. There were two bikes around him which were not letting us take videos. One black Porsche car is in which Saif Ali Khan has left from this gate. So this gate number 4, you can see. So gate number 4 is the gate where everybody was waiting at the main gate, but this is the side gate, staff entry gate of gate number 4, from where in one single car in a black Porsche, Saif Ali Khan was taken out. He was sitting on the front seat of that car. He was wearing a white kurta. Because of the tinted glasses, he was not clearly visible. Both sides, Mumbai policemen were protecting him, not letting us take visuals, but he was sitting in the front row. So yes, in a secretly hidden manner, Saif Ali Khan has left Lilavati Hospital in Bandra after 6 days of treatment. Back to you.
Can we say, Mustafa, because earlier, usually when he travels or they're around, it's very visible, it's very obvious that it's Saif and Kareena who are traveling. It's a big vehicle, security around them. But there is a deliberate attempt to not get that reflected this time when they leave, to disguise it. And from the looks of it, I do believe that they've chosen this vehicle for a specific reason and have cops around on a two-wheeler.
Well, yes, that is true. That now you can say that Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor both are taking extensive security measures, and hence there is, so they have kept this secrecy around them. So Lilavati Hospital, we are outside Lilavati Hospital, and this is the main entry-exit gate where since morning every media was waiting, expecting that he would come out from here. But he was taken out from another gate with policemen around him. So this is, you can say, now that the security apparatus around Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor has been increased given the incident and the tragedy which has taken place, and hence it was decided maybe that he should not be seen in open, and hence in a vehicle he left, in a car he left, sitting in
Mustafa,
that car.
any more clarity about
glasses,
who possibly was at the hospital at this point? If I'm correct, did I see Soha by any chance, who was there, the sister of the actor, at the hospital, even though Kareena Kapoor did leave earlier?
Well, since morning, Saif's mother and Kareena both have been seen. There have been possibility that other family members must have been present, but we were not seen. At the same time, the managers and the PR team of Saif Ali Khan stayed back with him by the time he was being discharged. And, we saw actor Ronit Raj sometime going inside and to meet Saif Ali Khan at Lilavati Hospital. So
Mustafa,
only close
also,
friends
yes,
were there. Even
apologies for intervening you there. For those who are not a resident of Mumbai, how far is the Lilavati Hospital to Bandra and specifically to the house of Saif and Kareena?
Yes, it's a 15 minutes distance because as you can see on the road which we are standing also there is traffic seen. So in the evening peak hours there is a huge traffic towards Bandra. So expecting that traffic it may take a while, but 15 to 20 minutes is the time in which Saif Ali Khan should reach his Bandra residence. It's in the same vicinity. Due to traffic it may take some time, but about 15 to 20 minutes time is when Saif Ali Khan is expected to reach his residence. Now since morning it's being said that it will be Fortune Heights. It's known that the star couple has many other houses and their family members also have houses in Mumbai. So exactly in which house he'll go is difficult to suggest at this point. But yes, he has
Mustafa, stay on with me then. So, as Mustafa is telling us, did not leave from an expected gate in an expected vehicle, usual, and tried perhaps a different vehicle and want to stay guarded. Kareena Kapoor Khan has also appealed for privacy at this hour for the family.